Language is identity, as far as I'm concerned. It says everything about who we are. And the more we know, the richer we'll be. And I subscribe to Kadya Moldovsky's philosophy, and she stated very clearly in the 30s. And she says, Jiddische Schreiber, was schreiben nicht in eine von die zwei jiddische Sprachen, seien wie Blumen auf dem Wasser. Sie seien sehr schön, aber sie haben nicht keine Wurzeln und fließen weg auf dem Wasser. In other words, the two Jewish languages of Hebrew and Yiddish, and of course there's also Ladino, which needs to be popularized more and made more available to all of us. Writing in a Jewish language gives us roots, is basically what she said. She said, otherwise we're like water lilies. She's beautiful on the surface, but blown away, floating away on a strong current. They're gone. So that's my view of language is we must know them. We must know our languages to be who we are, to be all we can be.